Okay guys, welcome back to the Private Eye Tutor tutorial part 2. Now this is micro website editor, and we're going to complete the second part of this tutorial. So this is the Enquiry page. So we've done the index and as you can see we set it up and it was in that really horrible blue. What we're going to do now is we're actually going to go to an Enquiry page that I've already set up, just so you can see what it looks like. Now when you come to it, if we select Enquiry in the saved pages and click retrieve, you're going to see that it's in yellow and black. Okay, so there we have it. Okay, now when you arrive, you'll have some text here, and then you'll have this grey area, and then you've got some text underneath, and then you've got a border. And I've changed some colours and make it look a little bit more dynamic and changed it a little bit. But what you'll notice is this grey area, this is actually where your API grid is, and that's basically your capture page form. Now if I click on preview so that you can see this, there it is. This is what the website will look like if you were to go to the web page. Okay, now this is the bit here that would look grey on the screen. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close that. Now to change any of the information, you can't actually edit the grid. Obviously the background color I have changed in the same way we did on the on the first page. The information, again, it's totally editable. You just change it to read whatever you want it to read, and then the information on below, and then of course your contact details, very much the same. Now you can add pictures to this if you want, again, and very much so exactly the same down here. Okay, so that's how you set up page 2. There's not a great deal that you can do with this because it needs to stay pretty basic, and what we found as well, I'll give you some advice that we found that the more complicated your capture page is prior to getting their information, the less likely it is that you'll get their information. Okay, so as we say, keep it simple and stupid. You know, keep it really basic, and we found that, you know, you get more leads just into the basic form because there's nothing to distract them away from that. So keep the first 2 pages nice and simple, nice and straightforward, to the point, get their information in there, and then with the following page, if you want to make that a little bit more dynamic and add more pictures, video, text, anything you want to that, you can do, because you've already got their information in the capture page. Okay, so that concludes part 2. Again, if you've got any questions, you can always email us, privateeyetutor@privateeyeservice.co.uk. Okay, so I'll speak to you in the next tutorial where we're going to go through the following page, which is thanks.